Sharon from Mad Paper Crush here, and today I just wanted to do a quick little flip through of a new digital kit that I have in my shop, and this one is called More Marbles. So this is kind of like a volume 2 of my All the Marbles kit, which I've had in my shop for some time, but I've been, as I research and look for different things to put into my kits, I've come across some of these wonderful marbled papers, and I wanted to be able to share them with you. So I've created a whole new kit with a whole bunch of different marbled papers in them, and I hope that you love them as much as I do. One quick note before I flip through these pages, I just wanted to, as I'm flipping through them, there are a couple of pages I noticed that have some black marks on them. So this is from my printer. These are not on the actual files. They're not on the digital files. So if you see those, I apologize, but it's my printer that did that. They're not on the actual files. When you get them, when you print them out, they will print out clean. All right, so let's go ahead and go through this kit. There you have it. 24 high resolution, 8.5 by 11 pages of gorgeous marbled paper. So I will link to it below in the description if you'd like to check out this kit, or up here if you would like to check it out. Thanks so much, friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.